10 years of struggling, 10 years of endeavor, 10 years of trials and hardships, 10 years of sailing through wind and waves. Loaded with honors forged. Shengtai Group. Shengtai Group, located in China's first village of Tyre, the biggest tire manufacturer bases in Shandong Province, Xishui, Shandong. Shengtai is a huge corporation that involves the production of auto tires, vehicle wheels, inner tubes, capsule and bead wire, and engaged in international trade, R&D of new products and real estate. Thus forms an industrial chain mainly on auto tire production, together with several kinds of products on different levels. Our group has 6 subsidiaries: Shengtai Group Company Limited, Detung Wheel Company Limited, Dehao Estate Development Company Limited, Emboil Circle Steel Wire Factory, Shenhua Tube Factory, an international trade company. At present, it employs more than 4,000 staffs and 860 engineers and technicians. It has an area of more than 800,000 square meters and a capital of 3.8 billion. Its annual productive capacity includes 3 million sets of all-steel heavy-load radial tires, 6 million sets of high-performance semi-steel radial tire, 2 million sets of steel wheels. In 2009, the sales revenue achieved to 4.3 billion RMB, and Shengtai's comprehensive strength ranks number 35 in the world in the same field. For years, Shengtai Group established more than 130 sales agents nationwide, which forms a sales and service network covering the whole China. In addition to meet the domestic market demand, our products also have been exported to more than 50 countries and districts around the globe. True gold does not fear fire. 3/8 does not fear distance. Glorious Days witnesses passionate growing of Shengtai. Lofty ambition promotes brave advance of Shengtai. Strength casts quality. Quality achieves brand. Shengtai Group plays a leading role in national tire industry, shining in the East. In 2009, after comprehensive investigating the international market, our group decisively launched the project with an annual production capacity of 6 million sets of high-performance semi-steel car radial tire. The production facilities with world advanced technology are all introduced from several countries, such as UK, USA, Holland, and Japan. The products applies to sports car and various limousines. From the very beginning of this project, it has been given close attention by the government and clients, and its products sell well in the market. Product advantage brought by technical innovation wins broad market for Shengtai Group. The investigation and construction of Shengtai Group's circular economy industrial park marks the group industry transforms to be technical and sustainable. Shengtai Group has been persistently focusing on quality, which makes the products of Shengtai destined to be well sold in the market. The business philosophy: market-oriented, customer-centered, subsistence on quality, win-win situation as the aim, and development guideline, growth on technology, extending strengths inward and outward. Enhancing AAA brand are the development lifeline of Shengtai Group. Have passed certifications of American DOT, European ECT, and Chinese compulsory CCC. Have passed certifications of American DOT, European ECT, and Chinese compulsory CCC. The products of tires and vehicle wheel have passed certifications of American DOT, European ECE, Brazilian and Metro, and Chinese compulsory CCC, EU noise regulation, EU REACH, GCC Gulf Cooperation Council. The group owns the first Chinese renowned trademark in tire industry in Dongying City. Besides, AAA brand tires and high-tone brand bead wires are evaluated and approved as Shandong Distinguished Brand, and AAA brand is evaluated as Shandong Export Distinguished Brand. Technology creates excellence. Talent promotes development. This is the measuring principle of human value of Shengtai Group. In May 2005, our group established Technical Center, recruiting the best and brightest people and developing an R&D team which involves senior engineers and up to 100 technicians. The center has persistently been doing research in materials and new product development since it came into being. Now it has developed into a comprehensive scientific research institution mainly on rubber raw material research, technology research, and new product development. And it has been approved as Technology Center at provincial level in Shandong Province. In 2009, the Experimental Center has passed the acceptance check for National Laboratory, which demonstrates the great promotion of research strengths of Shengtai Group. Cultivation of talent is the basis for sustainable development of a corporation. Construction to the echelon of talent guaranteed the comprehensive promotion of industrial technical level and core competition power. In order to realize personnel training and introduction, Shengtai Group cooperates with Qingdao University of Science and Technology and several other high schools with the methods of developing education of our group by cooperating with colleges and absorbing high qualified talent. The group devotes to form an independent innovation system based on the enterprise, guided by market and combining production, learning with research. A high qualified team composed of technicians and industrial experts guides the research and development of production technology. Shengtai Group reviews the harmonious charm of modern technology with a broad vision and shows mighty social competition power. Inheriting the essence of Qilu culture, solemnity and profoundness. Creating the model of enterprise management, good faith and innovation. Here, everywhere overflows master demeanor of Shandong wisdom. Everywhere expresses enterprising spirit of celebrated corporation. Splendid enterprise culture forms powerful cohesion and centripetal force, which expressively show the enterprise core value. Shengtai regards enterprise culture as the core of management, guiding employees to integrate personal ideal into enterprise outlook, and promotes personal value of employees in realizing enterprise strategic aim, and establishes harmonious group. Great improvement of Shengtai provides various forums for the development of employees. For several years, Shengtai Group persistently strengthens team construction, advocates team cohesion, and keeps enhancing the quality of employees, which has been honored as learning-oriented corporation by Administrative Department of the government. Shengtai Group, guiding by a leading group under the leadership of Director of Board Song Shide, Chief Manager Song Shiliang, follows the enterprising spirit of solidarity, honesty and sincerity, excellence, contribution, working hard through innovations and a pioneering spirit. The group establishes an enterprise vision. Shengtai's output with top 10 billion RMB among 12's 5-year plan, carrying on the past and opening a way for future. Shengtai people aim to revitalize national tire industry and construct Shengtai Group into the world example of tire and vehicle wheel industry. Real development should not only focus on scrupulously abiding by exquisite industrial chain, but also exploit and innovate other industries. After our group did fully market investigation and serious discussion, we finally chose Qingzhou as object of real estate development project. This project covers over 2,000 moves, striving to found a 5A tourist scenic area in Qingzhou City, Yuntuo Scenic Spot. This spot is surrounded on three sides by mountains, crossing by Jiulongjian. High qualified natural landscape endows this project conditions to construct a dense biological residence. Our group finished the project plan under the market orientation of urban name card of Qingzhou, landmark residence of North Shandong. Eventually, we decided to construct the most comfortable classic villa residence of the biggest scale in eastern China. Brand makes the value. Innovation, the future. Splendid enterprising culture, advanced business philosophy, pursuit of perfect quality. Excelsior service, aim to create the unique and charming Shengtai brand. 10 years of blazing our way through all obstacles, unforgettable. 10 years of determined efforts and hard toil, keeping innovative. 10 years of accumulating steadily, full of confidence. Looking back at the past, Shengtai people live up to the history. Looking forward to the future, a road of 100 years stretches to the distance in front of Shengtai people. Shengtai is advancing bravely to the glorious goal to become first class at home and well known abroad.